We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we're looking for continuation for trade setup for buy because we have been looking for buy. And we mentioned with the breakout of the previous low top, we can expect the price to continue. The first target was 17, following by 19. As we can see, the price tagged the 17, then the price dropped. And beside that, I was keep highlighting with the breakout of the previous top, we can expect the price to drop. That's why we've mentioned we at least any of this target, if the price tag, we have to start to manage it. Okay. Anyway, the first target after the price tag, the first target is drop, and most of the charts we have this down move. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade. Now, the only thing is we want to see whether we can look at this one as a reversal or not. Okay, and even if we reversal, we look for this flat as a running flat. In this case, we move to lower time frame for our chart. Again, even if we refer to our analysis, I mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, we can expect the price drop. This is what we get. But I was expecting this one turn to a deeper move similar to what we have here. As I explained based on forward chart, we have been looking for the running flat to look for reversal because this is where we could get the good trade setup rather than reversing from here. Okay, now the only thing is how we can look for trade within this move. Even if we wants to look for buy, mostly we buying at this top of this correction. That's why we were expecting if this one turn to a deeper move, any reversal, we take the trade. All right. If I move to 1 hour chart, there was opportunity to look for buy from here. And even if this one turned to the correction, we can look for buy, but it depends on the traders whether they want to buy here or not. Because if anyone wants to look for buy from here, their stop loss should be below this around 14, and the breakout of we need to see the breakout of the top. In terms of the risk and reward, they need to consider whether they want to look for buy or not. Okay, right now I'm not going to say whether we should look for buy or not. All it depends what we get here. And even right now, if the price continue, we don't have any trade set up. Okay, the only way we look either if we get the correction here, we can look for buy, and even in case the price give us a sharp move flag, we can look for sell. For sure, sell can give us better trade setup in terms of the risk and reward. As I mentioned, based on forward chart, this move couldn't turn to a deeper move. That's why we can expect that's why still we can put this one as a correction. We can look for continuation, and mostly we can expect the price to give us a deeper correction before we get the continuation. That's why whoever wants to buy within this range, as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, they need to be quite careful. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We don't have any trade setup, and whoever get the trade from here, they at least move their stop loss to break even. Buying from here, it depends on the traders. If I see any update, any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.